everybody, my name is Tyler and welcome back to ATA News. Now that you're here, let's get started. Alright, so I want to give a thank you to Pat in my Discord server for suggesting this story. Is the LMP1 done for? What is the LMP1? Well, the LMP1 stands for Le Mans Prototype 1. Like, from this picture, the whole racetrack, it's like all LMP1s. But anyway, these renowned cars are going extinct? Yes, they are. Apparently, they're done for. People are announcing that they're discontinuing their LMP1s. Porsche. So, yeah. LMP1 is done for, sadly. Makes me sad. Thank you to Jake in my Discord server for suggesting this story. I will provide a link for his channel in the description down below. ZL1 in NASCAR? The Chevy Camaro ZL1 is the new race car for the Monster Energy NASCAR Cup. Here's what it will look like. I think it's neat because this could be the future of NASCAR racing. Speaking of NASCAR, be sure to check out Jake's channel because he covers everything NASCAR. He's a NASCAR guy. He streams races, he records races, he has a whole schedule up, and I have a car in his races, so yeah. That's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of ATA News. Bye-bye.